In 1879, 16 years after emancipation and 14 years after Juneteenth, members of the Amy Zion Church gave birth to an audacious idea. Let's start a school for the descendants of recently emancipated slaves. They knew that education would be the true emancipator. For almost 143 years, we have been unapologetically on mission. But just when you thought you knew Livingstone College, we flipped the script. Under the leadership of President 13, Dr. Anthony J. Davis, Livingstone College is poised to make a quantum leap into the future. Our STEM program is second to none. Housed in a new state-of-the-art science annex, our program features an emerging theater with laboratory research spaces and equipment that no other HBCU our size can boast. Livingstone College Hospitality Management and Culinary Arts program is a cut above the rest. The program is located in a hotel owned by the college and features a mobile food unit complete with a full kitchen and dining room. For gaming enthusiasts, Livingstone Esports Complex is currently under construction and will include competitive esports, simulation golf, iRacing, and broadcasting. A student-centered curriculum incorporating STEM will prepare students for careers deriving from esports, including commercial and defense drone operators, computer programming, audiovisual entertainment professionals, content creators, and sports journalism and broadcasting. Speaking of broadcasting, Livingstone College is developing a communications major that would include a school of music and an industry-standard music studio. This will complement our existing radio station, WLJZ 107.1 FM, nominated for the best station in the Charlotte metropolitan area. Livingstone College is the only college in the state of North Carolina with a podcast cafe. The venue features 3 soundproof podcast cubicles and a control room open to students and the public. As the world turns, so are we. We meet students where they are, thus enabling them to compete and contribute in a global context with confidence and competence. From a robust student life to the divine non-fraternities and sororities, to championship-winning sports, Livingstone College is at the dawn of a new day. Fully accredited by the Southern Association of Colleges and Schools, authorized to offer associate degrees, baccalaureate degrees, and master's degrees. With our inaugural MBA graduate program launching in January 2023, Livingstone College is the Amy Zion Church's flagship academic institution. Led by President 13 and a caring team of administrators, professors, and staff, committed to assisting every student to unlocking their potential, unleashing their power, and having their purpose unveiled, producing graduates who are resilient, relevant, and ready. We are the hopes and dreams of our ancestors, true to our God and true to our nation.